Here's what I'm thinking. Now that I've got longer and ergonomic grips, I want thumb throttle. So what I did was, on AliExpress, you've seen these, except you've seen probably the ones on Amazon where it looks like they're grabbing it here and this part of the thing is all the way down here. So the Chinese, they got small hands. We know that. We know they got small everything. This is probably for their bikes. Anyways, this was only less than $1, 96 cents delivered from China. That's why we can't make anything here in America. They're dumping product here that we can't compete with. But it's small. It's smaller than the American stuff. Amazon, these are $9 or $10. I digress again. It's gonna slip on over this, and I want to trim back some of this right here so it's not hitting on there. I've already got it marked where I think it's gonna need to be. As bad as this is from China, those son of a bitches, I ordered a nitrous oxide kit. So I'm gonna put nitrous into my Porsche, and look what they sent me. This is their nitrous kit. It's a fucking pillow. It's a doll. It's not even well, look at that right there. Not even sewn up very well where they closed it up. This is like a dog chew toy or a dog toy. How am I gonna put this on my Porsche? Goddamn China. I hate them. Let me go into my shop and do some filing, grinding, sanding on this, and I'll be right back. Man, I gotta say, that's about the best $1 I spent on this piece of shit money pit bike yet. I mean, right here, it feels good. I got my palm of my hand rested there, my thumb there, 2 fingers on the brake. I know I am going to love it. Unfortunately, it's like 18 degrees outside and I'm not gonna go test it out. But yeah, I can test it out right here. And I gotta tell you, I'm normally not real good about sanding and filing and grinding, but I gotta admit, that right there looks pretty damn professional, like it's from the factory. Will this come off? Yeah, I'll bet if I push if I go like that, boom, it's coming off. So, what does that mean? That means that once I do get out in the warm weather, if we ever get warm weather again, and I know and can confirm that I like this and I like the position of it, meaning I don't need another 1/8 of an inch higher, an 1/8 of an inch lower, then I will glue this down just so I don't lose my $1 modification. All right, man, stay tuned. I got more stuff coming up. More stuff came in this bag from China. See ya.